Hello and welcome back to episode 7 on project Locost-mx5. So I'll show you what we're going to do today. So since last time I've painted the top side of all here, so that all the front part of the car here now is all welded and done. So today I'm clean all this up, made a little start there now. Paint all that area, nothing really needs to be done there. And I will, on the back end, make a start on this. I need to clean these areas up, weld all around there, finish welding the tops, the bottoms, things like that. And then I need to triangulate across here somehow, so that's just the stand where it's sitting on. So I'll probably have a diagonal from this area going across to the middle somewhere, and then that'll help with support for the tank as well. I've been bidding on one, but I haven't found one in budget yet, so yeah, that's the plan for this morning. And today I have Jack helping today.
Hi.
Right, so all them bits there welded up now. So Jack's carrying on there now with the drill, and that's like clearing that up. So I've just pulled this piece of box section. I've got no new steel left, so this stuff I'll have to do. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just a bit brown. So that will be going from this area, which is strong, across to here. So I'll cut that there, wherever I've got there, in half, and wherever that reaches, that's where it'll be going across, from this bar to that one, just to on both sides, which will give this whole sort of almost like two chassis legs sticking out, some triangulation and some strength. So I'll get on with that now. So that's all cleaned up there now. You can see the rust treatment stuff I put on the bottom there, so that'll be ready for paint in a minute. So this is the bit of box that I've made. So I've cleaned the edges up there, so this will sit in there like that, so it sits nicely there and joins to the bottom of the where this will meet. So that'll be quite strong, so if you can imagine that on both sides, triangulates it really nicely. So yeah, get them welded in now. Well, make one for that side first, weld them both in, and then yeah, I'll show you how we get on. Right, that's them two welded in there now. So as you can see, they go from there, from that point there to that point there, which makes this bit really strong, which will support them very well. So the next stage is now, as you can probably see on that side, Jack's just painting away on there, getting that. So as soon as he's finished with that side, while he's doing that, sorry, I'll clean all the tops of these up now and paint all of them as well. Won't bother with the frame bit yet, because that's easy enough to do, but I'll do all these bits on the back of there. Then I will flip it over, flip the car over so it's so it's upside down. I've got a couple of welds to finish underneath. I'll do them, paint all the back side of everything you can see here, and then I will get the rear subframe, the one I'm going to use, clean that up, give that a coat of paint as well, and get that mounted, because as you've seen in some of the other videos, it's only got the one bolt in the middle at the minute, but it needs another one over there and another one over here, so I can get all them in, because I have to drill them from underneath as well. So So and then as soon as I've done that, I've got some extra bars to put in the floor area, which I will show you at that point. Right, so the tops of these painted there now. So as you can see, it's just I've got to weld the back of that, which is why there's no paint. But yeah, that's basically how it's going to be. So it looks a bit tidier now. So I'll flip it over now and get on with the other side. Right, so it's upside down now, so I can get to places like here to finish welding that, along here, along there, same on the other side. So I'll get all that welding done there now, and then that's the rear end ready for the subframe. You can just about see these little marks which I made last time where the bolts go. So we'll get all this done, clean it all up, give it a coat of paint, and then we can move on to digging out the subframe, which you can just see that red thing over there, so it's in there somewhere. So we'll dig all that out and get on with that. There we go, all painted, ready for the subframe, which sits quite nicely in this gap here. So I'll dig it out of its hole there now, and show you how it sits. Right, so you can see that bit better from this side. Spin the car around now. Right, so that'll be in the end of this video. So in the next video, I'll be cleaning this up and stripping it down, so on, and getting it fitted into there. Right, so that's the end of this video. So if you've enjoyed this one, give us a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the project. So I just want to do a little mention to a Facebook group called 7 Spot. The Jim there has contacted me over the past couple of days. Top guy. Loads of caterings, low cost style things on there. So feel free to join that group. It's good. So yeah, it's nice to see some interest for this project from different people. So yeah, thank you very much. See you on the next one.
Bye.